Good morning everyone. This is Radhika, class in charge of KG Tulip. Kids, how are you? Fine? Okay. So far we have done our word families. Ahana, Arav, Riyan, Saksham, Myra, Moksh, Adhyan. Have you done the practice of word families? Very good. Okay. So today we will learn about a new topic. So kids, are you ready? Let's start our class.
Our today's topic is sight words. Before I will tell you that what is the meaning of sight words, I want to explain that what is sight reading. जैसे कि नाम से ही क्लियर हो रहा है, sight means देखना. That if we will look any word, we will just recognize it and read it. Means अगर हम किसी भी शब्द को देखें, हम उसकी पहचान कर लें और उसे उसी समय पढ़ लें. That is called as sight reading. This I want to explain with the help of an example. Suppose आप जब भी किसी बच्चे को ऐसे चॉकलेट या चिप्स या फिर कुरकुरे का पैकेट आप उसे देते हैं, तो आप देखेंगे कि कुछ समय के बाद अगर आप उसे वही पैकेट दिखाएंगे तो बच्चा अपने आप ही बताने लगता है कि ये चिप्स, ये लेज़ है, ये कुरकुरे है, ये मिल्की बार है. हालांकि उसे उस वर्ड के स्पेलिंग्स ना तो आते हैं, ना ही उसे उस वर्ड के स्पेलिंग्स लर्न है, लेकिन फिर भी बच्चा उस वर्ड को देखता है और उसे पढ़ पाता है. मीन्स उसने उस शब्द की पहचान कर ली है और सिर्फ उसे देखते ही वो उसको पढ़ लेता है. दिस इज़ कॉल्ड एज साइट रीडिंग. मीन्स हमें उस शब्द की पहचान है और देखते ही हम उसको पढ़ पा रहे हैं. And the child starts sight reading at a very early age. Now let's understand that what is the meaning of sight words. The words that can be learned by sight are called as sight words. These words are used most frequently. Sight words should be memorized to help a child learn to read and write. Means ऐसे शब्द जिनको हम देख देख कर सीख सकते हैं उनको हम साइट वर्ड कहते हैं. दीज वर्ड्स आर यूज्ड मोस्ट फ्रिक्वेंटली. इन शब्दों का यूज़ किसी भी सेंटेंस में, पैराग्राफ में बार बार किया जाता है. साइट वर्ड शुड बी मेमोराइज्ड. मीन्स वी हैव टू मेमोराइज साइट वर्ड्स. हमें साइट वर्ड्स को याद करना पड़ता है because it is very difficult to decode sight words and some of the sight words do not follow the rules of phonics. Today we will read 4 sight words. So our first one is a. What is this? A. Next one is to. What is this? To. Next one is the. What is this? The. Children, whenever you are doing reading, do not break the letters like T, H, E, the. ऐसे रीडिंग नहीं करनी है. You have to read the complete word. It's the. Next one is and. What is this? And. Now we will do reading of these sight words from our reading book Language Picture Dictionary at page number 21. So let's start. First one is a. It's a. Next one is and. And. Next is to. To. And the last is the. It's the. Now we will read these group of words and underline the sight words. Dear parents, I want to tell you that here our focus is on recognition and reading of the sight words. And you can see all the sight words are written with red color. Means यहाँ पर बच्चों को वो words पढ़ने आ जाने चाहिए जो red color से लिखे गए हैं. And the words like play, pots, pans, the child may face some difficulty in reading of these words. So here you have to help your child. So let's start reading. First one is go to play. It's go to play. Divya, can you tell me where to sight word is written? To कहाँ लिखा हुआ है? To Yes, here it is. Very good. Now we will underline this. Next one is pots and pans. Pots and pans. Hyan, can you help me to find out and sight word where and is written? And find out. Yes, here it is. Now we will underline this. Good. Next one is a big box. A big box. Hyan, can you tell me where a is written? Where a sight word is written? Find out. Yes, here it is. Very good. Underline this. Next is the van. The van. Ishni, can you help me to find out the sight word where the is written? The. Yes, here it is. Now we will underline this. Very good. Now it's activity time. Kids, now we will do an activity. You can see here I have written some sight words. But इसमें करना क्या है? So let's have a look to the instructions. Find and draw a circle around two sight words. Means we have to find out two sight words. जहाँ भी two लिखा हुआ है हमें find करना है. Then we will draw a circle around two sight word. Find and draw a triangle around and sight word. Then we will find and sight word and draw a triangle around and sight word. So let's start. Where two is written? Yes, here. Very good. Now we will draw a circle around it. Janvi, can you help me to find out where two is written? Two. Yes, here. What we will draw? A circle around it. Very good. Myra, can you tell me where two is written? Two. Find out where two is written. Yes, here it is. Very good. Namya, is two is written anywhere else? Can you help me to find out where two is written? Yes, here. What we will draw? A circle around it. Very good. Now we will find out and sight word and what we will draw around and a triangle. So find out where and is written. Yes, here. We will draw a triangle around and sight word. Kaustubh, can you help me to find out where and is written? Find out here. Very good. Now draw a triangle around and sight word. Yuvan, can you tell me where it is written? Help me to find out and sight word. Yes, here it is written. Very good. Khushi, Harman, is it written anywhere else? Can you help me to find out and sight word? Yes, here it is written. Good. And find out, is it written anywhere else? Yes, here. Now we will draw one more triangle around this. Okay, like this, we have done this activity. Now let's come to the benefits of sight words. Sight words promote confidence. 50% of the reading text is made up of the same 100 words. So if a child can read the 50% of the reading text, so it automatically promotes their confidence. Sight words helps to improve fluency. It helps in reading comprehension passage in higher classes. It also helps in understanding meaning of the sentences. So kids, now what you will do reading of this page 2 to 3 times in a day with your parents. Okay, bye bye. Thank you. Have a nice day.